Brigesh Brahma from Ultimate Class Hostel. Today I want to speak something about my sister, and today is my topic about my sister. Yesterday I talked to her. It was my privilege to talk to her because I think about myself that being a brother, I should think about my sister that. She expected to me that she's supposed to do something different for me, and we have a bondage. Like I have good chemistry with her, she is well acquainted to me. So I keep on thinking about myself, about my sisters, because being a sisters, being a brother, we have to think about our family members and our colleague bestie. I consider my sister like my father, my parents. Her name is Santoshi D. Yesterday I talked on phone and I learned a lot of things which I wanted to understand by her. She not only gave me strength but also she felt to me like enthusiastic, and she gave me the life lesson that if you want to be a successful person in your life, whatever you want to do, be frankly, be honest, don't backbite, don't make an excuse, don't show up, don't procrastinate, because this is a life and everybody will consider you, recognize you, will accept you, regret you, will think about you bad, anything else. This is an era of the life. You need to understand it in which field are you, in which field are you, and you are working, so you have to think about yourself, that what's your purpose, what do you want to do for your family members, anything else. Having talked to her, I learned so many things. I still mad, um, she declined her every point, and she said me that you know very well, you know better than me what's the life, what's career. I learned so many things. She talked that I have been working for 4 years in this company, and my father, I am running up my house. My brother is younger than me. My father's his health and my mother's health is sometimes be spinning mind, all these things. So I'm working hard. Whenever I go any side, somebody think about me that she's a professional girl. But I don't want to show up like a professional. I live in home, I live personal. I talk to my family members. I discuss all these things. So like we should understand what kind of. She taught me a lesson that don't be a lazy, don't be a regret by yourself that you will not be able to succeed in your life, anything else, because uh, I felt like this, having listened her. She said to me, my life is good and I am feeling good. I didn't expect it in God, to God. I believed in God. I faith in God, because whatever He has made for us, He has given us body. It's depend on us. What's our purpose? What's our life? What do we have to do in our life? So guys, we are thinking about ourselves that we are living in this era in 2000, in 21st century. So what's our required for our family members, for our India, for our India's cultures? What's our tradition? What do we want to do? We have tremendous atmosphere. We are looking like do something different in our life, but only we are longing for money, we are longing for business, job, anything else, but we are not thinking about our family members. So we must talk, discuss about health, and maybe in a Tuesday, in a weekend, and monthly, yearly, we should go to talk to family members. We should think about that what are we doing, and we should go anywhere, visit to discuss with family members, make a fair together, talk and fun, chat, anything else. Because so this is the era to learn something different in this entire world. It's the illusion of the world, illusion of the anywhere. Nobody's talking to everybody like this. Something is different in this era. Having talked or learned so many things, I talked maybe 1 hours, 9 minutes and 31 seconds. I talked to my sisters and I asked whatever I wanted to ask. She gave me a reply. She replied me very well. Eventually said to me, and unanimously she said told me that you also good plus good. Please explore your thoughts and do something different. Whatever she said it to me. I don't think that I have no bondage, all these things about my family members, but the things by heart I want to say to you that work hard, do something different for your family members because it's our own wish to do something different for our family members like this, something different. So I will to say to you that you have to do something different. You have courage of doing something different for your family members. For somebody uh, bent on doing something bad for their family member, don't want to talk to, they think that they did you meet about you meet to your family members, they are keep on asking about themselves. But my sister not like other. I talked, I asked about my family members. I said to her that somebody says about you, somebody says about me, don't know anything else, but you know what's your purpose. I know what's my purpose, what's going on in my life, what this thing. So I don't want. I listen to everybody, but I listen to everybody's thoughts, whatever they want to underestimate me or not. I don't think, but I think that I'm this field, so I should not tell a lie, speak. Something bad about other people, so I should not backbite, procrastinate, or do something different because I'm a teacher. Being a teacher, I should think about my goal is not a teacher, but I should be like a teacher, professional, confident, and be honest on my work, be play attention, all these things. To world will talk about you, they will accept you, not accept you, they will hire you, not hire you, will speak about all these things, procrastinate and all these things. But you should be a perfect, you should be a person of words, and you should think about yourself, that what's your purpose in your life, what do you want to do for your family members, and these things. So guys, having told my sister, I learned so many things. So I want to think about myself from today. So I want to leave 5 bad things first. I will never tell a lie. But some in that bad situation, I felt bad and I thought about my I should speak, and I'll speak. A second, procrastinate, so laziness, and this year I want to leave. I want to leave to watch any girls and to discuss about them, all these things, because I'm a teacher, I should think about myself. And for that, I should not speak about other person, not backbite all this thing, because I'm a teacher, I should think about myself. She not only taught me a lesson but also gave me a good example for my life, for my career. So just I want to say to you, also you can make your bright future, do something different. You should have a sister to say to you, so that you will be you can be honest, you will be a good person in the coming of time, whatever all these things. So guys, she not only gave me a tremendous atmosphere, a gigantic words spoke about me. Being a learner also, I must think about myself that I should do. I should not think about the society, neighborhood, country, anybody else, whatever, because it's their obligation, right? All this whatever doing, it's their karma. What's my karma? What's my purpose? I want to be a person who works hard, who helps family members and consider their parents and their dignity, they're proud of feel, make them proud of feel, and their family members whatever they want to do. Because if you are in the trouble, nobody will help you. If you get out, you come out from the trouble, everybody will help you. So these are things everybody thinks about you. So what's our purpose in our life? We must understand, must think about ourselves. Being a learner, we also think about ourselves. That what do we have to do? So guys, don't be lazy. Be honest. Do work hard. By heart, you have to think about yourself. That what did you do? What do you have to do? Always keep on learning, because we don't do our every time. I said to my sir also, and I asked many teachers, and that man is not a good, means man is not a every person, people are not bad, their thoughts are bad. Thoughts can be changed, but people's mind we cannot change, because whatever they are thinking bad and every person's in every person's mind maybe there are 60,000 of thoughts going on every day. So how can you run up, stop all these things? So that's why I want to say to you, don't be lazy, do something, procrastinate, all these things. So make your own idea, own legacy, so that people could learn to you, talk to you, meet to you, do something different for you. That this is a life. We have to learn about our family members, all the things to do, prioritize these things and learn about things of what are doing, what are purpose in our life. Because life gives one chance to grow up, to go ahead in our life, and life gives us different atmosphere to do something different for our family members. And the life we learn about the past, present, and future. We memorize our things, we recognize what did we do, all these things. We identify on self that when 5 years ago where were we, and after 5 years where are we. So guys, this is life. Life will change your dream, whatever you want to be like. So you have to learn about life, that what's a life, and what's my purpose in my life, what do I want to become, and what do I have to do, so that you can do something different in your life. You can make your parents feel proud of, and their name run up by you. And people who every time talking about you that he will not be able to succeed in his life, all these things, they will come to meet you, they will you will come to meet them, they will come to meet you, all these things, they will belong to you. Guys, learn something different for your family members, all these things. While going on to say to you, do something different, like do something different, world wants like you, कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा। अंतुल की